To start, I'm going to work on the dough for the puffy tacos. Here I have 2 cups of Maseca brand instant corn flour for masa, 3/4 of a teaspoon of fine salt, and then I'm going to give that a mix. And I'm going to add warm to hot water little by little just until the dough comes together. I don't want to oversaturate this. You want to start with 1.5 cups of warm water. And then if you feel that the dough still is too dry, add a tablespoon of water at a time. Extra moisture in the dough will work against you when trying to get the tacos to puff up. The dough is combined and I've mixed it for about 5 to 10 minutes. So now I'm going to divide it into 12 dough balls, and then I'm going to cover the bowl with a damp cloth and let the dough rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. And after it has rested, I'm going to start pressing them out. And I'm using a tortilla press with 2 pieces of plastic. This makes it a lot easier to get your tortilla dough off of the press, and then it'll be ready to fry. So now that my dough is pressed out, it's ready to fry. Here in my preheated oil, I have this up to about 355, 360 degrees Fahrenheit. And the key here is to place the dough in the fry oil and make sure it puffs up first. Then you give it a flip and then press the center to create the taco shape. And just let it fry for a little bit. And then I'll just remove it from the oil and place it on a wire rack to let any residual oil run off. And that's it. And I'm just going to repeat the process. So the type of filling that you use for your puffy tacos is up to you. You can bake chicken and shred it. That's what I'm doing here. I just seasoned it with a variety of seasonings and spices. I will link the recipe video for this. I actually used this chicken for my chicken empanadas recipe. I'll link that below. But you can season how you like, bake it, shred it, or chop it, and you could use that for the filling to these tacos. Here in my crunch wrap video, I made a seasoned ground beef. I added chili powder, I added dried minced onion, ground cumin, onion powder, garlic powder, cracked black pepper, a little bit of vinegar, a pinch of sugar, and some tomato paste. Just gave it a mix. And for the saltiness in this, I decided to use bouillon cube. That was a beef bouillon cube. And just cook, mix, add a little water to stew it a little bit, and it's done. And I basically used this seasoning, but with ground turkey meat. That's what I did today. And I just substituted the beef bouillon cube for a chicken bouillon cube. But you really can use any type of filling that you prefer and season how you like. So to build the taco, just add the meat, the shredded lettuce, cheese, tomato. I'm also going to add some sour cream and salsa, and it's as easy as that. This is really good, and texturally, I love puffy tacos. And for those of you that like to watch me take bites, check out my mukbang channel. I will put the link below to the video. You guys don't have to follow me there, but I kind of started it for those of you that just like to see me try the food. And I know some of you guys get triggered by eating sounds, so that's why. But anyways, I hope you guys give the recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.